Hi, Hal. This video is small introduction about myself and this YouTube channel. Yeah, first of all, welcome to Arivardhan Technology Solutions YouTube channel. My name is Arivardhan. I am having 7+ years of IT experience on Java, microservices, DevOps, and AWS technologies, and I am working in one of the good product-based company, and you can find all the tutorials which are posted in this YouTube channel are having the real-time examples and covering few interview questions as well, so that when you go to any interview you can easily crack those questions and answer those questions. And then in this YouTube channel I am going to mainly upload videos related to Maven, Git, Linux, Java, Jenkins, and then Nexus Remote servers tutorials, and finally AWS tutorial. In future I will upload database tutorials as well. Yeah, thank you guys.